In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Google Calendar with Monday.com step by step, so you can keep your tasks, deadlines, and meetings in sync without constantly switching between tools. This is a great setup if you want to automate event creation, track important dates, and make your workflow a lot more organized. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Monday.com account. Once you're inside, open the workspace and the board that you want to connect with Google Calendar. This is important because the integration will be applied to the specific board you choose, so make sure you're in the right place before moving forward. At the top of your board, click the Integrate button. This is where Monday.com lets you connect with other apps and create automations. After clicking Integrate, use the search bar and type Google Calendar. Monday.com will show you a list of available integration recipes related to Google Calendar. Now take a moment to choose the recipe that best matches what you want to do. For example, you might want a recipe that creates a Google Calendar event when a new Monday.com item is created, or one that updates your calendar when a date changes on the board. Select the integration recipe that fits your workflow, then click Use Template. Next, Monday.com will ask you to connect your Google account. Click Connect and sign in with the Google account that has the calendar you want to use. Once you sign in, Google will ask for permission so Monday.com can access your calendar. Review the permissions carefully, and then click Allow to continue. After that, you'll need to map the correct fields. Select the date or timeline column from your Monday.com board, and then choose the Google Calendar you want to sync with. This step is really important because it tells Monday.com exactly which date information should be used when creating or updating calendar events. Once your calendar and column are selected, configure the automation to match your needs. You can set it up so that a Google Calendar event is created whenever a Monday.com item is created, or when the date in a column changes. You can also review the available options to make sure the automation behaves exactly the way you want it to. When everything looks good, click Add to Board or Activate to turn the integration on. From that point on, Monday.com and Google Calendar will start working together based on the recipe you selected. That means your important dates can automatically flow into your calendar, helping you stay on top of deadlines, meetings, and project milestones. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Google Calendar with Monday.com. This kind of automation can save you a lot of time and make your project management much smoother. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.